Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to give you the link of the question paper related to the lesson Decline of Mughal Empire and your chapter 2, that is Industrial Revolution and the Rise of Imperialism. From the Industrial Revolution, Rise of Imperialism, Decline of Mughal Empire and the Judiciary. These three lessons, revision questions I am giving you in your Google form link. I am giving you, in that you will get your question paper. You solve it. Time is there. You can solve it for 2 days. You can try it. And the questions are in the form of fill in the blanks as you are doing. True, false. Choose the correct option. Picture study. In today's question paper, your fill in the blanks, each question 1 marks. True, false, each question is of 1 marks. And choose the correct options also, each question is of 1 marks, as you have already done the revision works. So today also you will do in that way only. And picture study questions are also there, so do it and solve it, the picture study questions. So in today I will give you in your class videos, in that you will get the Decline of Mughal Empire, a revision video, and today you will get the revision questions in Google form of your these three lessons, as we have already completed the lesson the Industrial Revolution, Decline of Mughal Empire, which is these two lessons are repeated only, and Judiciary was only the new lesson which we had already done, completed. So we will do today the revision work related to these three lessons. So do it, solve it carefully. The Industrial Revolution, suppose from the inside topics, fill in the blanks I have given. From inside also true, false also I have given. So read the lesson. Already I have given you my class videos. I hope so you have followed in my class videos related to Industrial Revolution, Decline of the Mughal Empire and Judiciary system. All explanations have been done. So the question related to these three lessons, today I have started the revision work. Today revision work I have given you. You solve it on your own. Try to do it. And the topics like industrial revolutions, features, causes, impacts, all these topics are covered. So read it. Picture study questions are also there, so do it. Picture study also, read it from your lessons which is in your portion only. So do it, solve it, and if any doubt queries you can ask me in the live class also. Live class you will ask me doubts and queries. Okay, so today you will solve it, and if any doubts and queries are there you can ask me in the live class also. So Decline of Mughal Empire, you are getting the repeated lesson for your revision work, and you are getting to read it for your pre-annual unit test portion. It is Decline of Mughal Empire, Industrial Revolution, Rise of Imperialism and Judiciary. Okay students, so thank you. You solve it. If any problem is there you can ask me in the live class also. If any doubt is there related to the lesson, we can have a discussion over it. Okay, today I will give you in your class video Decline of Mughal Empire revision video only. Okay, so read the lesson. Already you have got the question answers of Decline of Mughal Empire, fill in the blank, true, false, all the things is given already repeated also I have given you. Same thing will be only there. Nothing new will be there. Only from the lesson, read the lesson. Question will be only changed. Nothing else. Everything is from the lesson only. So read the lesson. You will get today sample question. You will understand the pattern of the questions for your pre-annual test. Okay. So solve it and must solve it. You should must solve it. Do it. So you will understand that what is the pattern of the questions. Okay students, thank you.